Hey guys, so I'm back with a scrapbook process video. I've been working on a few new layouts and I decided to film a process of me making one because I have never actually filmed a process video for a scrapbook layout. I do 8x8 layouts because I have an 8x8 album that I bought at Michael's years ago and I never used it, and when I started wanting to experiment with scrapbooking layouts, like making layouts, I didn't want to go buy a 12x12 binder, album, so I'm just like, oh, I have this 8x8 album, so I might as well just make 8x8 layouts. So I'm using the Note to Self Felicity Jane kit. I have papers left over and a few pieces, so I decided to print out a couple of new photos. The one that I'm using, it is a photo of me standing in front of my inspiration board. I really wanted to use that little wood veneer from the Planner Society kits that I get, and it says Planner Girl on it. And so I'm just looking for papers to back the photo with. I think I started out with the ledger paper, and then I decided to use the black and white Hello paper, and then I was trying to put other papers behind it, and it just didn't work. So I ended up grabbing a piece of vellum and a white doily and using a couple of strips in the back. Right now I took out my watercolors because I'm just like, oh, it needs paint splatters, and so I'm just splattering the page with colors from the kit in watercolor. I'm kind of terrible at using watercolors on layouts, but I think I got a few splatters just to accent the little cluster on the corner. I wanted to keep the page like really white and fresh and everything like that. So while I let that dry for a bit, I am going ahead and adhering everything together. I tape the photo I kind of tape it off center onto the Hello paper, and then I use my tiny attacher to attach the vellum. And now I'm just sticking on the white doily. Now I'm positioning it on the page and kind of placing those back pieces behind it again, and I do end up switching out the yellow piece of paper and that floral. I find these little kind of page flag things, little like banner things from the kit, and I replace the yellow one with the white and yellow striped banner, and then the floral I place with the same floral, it's just in a banner format, and I keep that little hot pink strip. That's actually a branding strip from one of the papers. And now I'm just embellishing. I'm playing around with the little flower cluster and that, the little tab on the top. I think I just grabbed a little circle cut that has some of that yellow in it again, and I'm just kind of placing things around my page just to see what works. Now I'm just kind of playing around with the sequins that came in the kit. I think I have the hardest time with the sequins. I took out a couple of enamel dots and it's just sort of like placing it within the paint splatter. I take a while to figure out the color. The yellow, really, I kind of wanted to match that yellow, and just the placement of all of these little confetti dots, because I kind of wanted to have it coming out of the little cluster. So I kind of give that a break and I adhere the little flower because I want that there, and I adhere the Planner Girl wood veneer. And now I'm just sticking down that little circle sticker and the tab behind the photo right there. And then I think I go ahead and place everything down that I know I want to be on the page. So like the little cluster plus the little banners, I stick them all down. Yeah, I stick them all down just so that everything is properly in place while I continue to play with that little kind of confetti, sequins. The sequins and the enamel dots on the little splatter area just to kind of give it a little kind of confetti coming out of it. I just wanted everything to be glued down before I start fussing with that again and trying to figure out the proper placement of it. Okay, so I start adhering a few of them down, and I started playing with the corner of it and adding a few sequins and enamel dots there so that it just comes out from the corner. And I think I am okay with the placement of all of these sequins and enamels, that I just end up gluing them all down. Now I'm just looking through the stash again for little things to accent the page. I took out one of these little wood buttons with an ampersand on it, and I put it towards the little flower cluster. And now I'm just looking through the bits of labels and papers there and just trying to find something to stick, like to tuck under the photo there in that corner. I think I settled on the yellow strip and a little light pink strip with a white arrow in it, and I go ahead and just tuck and adhere those guys there. And now I'm fussing with a spare sequin. It's a little pink one, and I think I decide to just adhere it and just add it to the little secret confetti cluster that I have going there. And now I'm just curling up a few papers and stuff, and then I think I go fetch my Heidi Swapp date stamp and just stamp it a bunch of times in the corner on the left, and that's it. So my layout's finished. Here are some close-up photos of the completed layout. I hope you enjoyed this process video. It was kind of interesting to make, or just to see how my process unfolds on film. Give it a thumbs up if you like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!